Hey guys, it's Shay again from White Collar DIY. So for this week, I'm not gonna build anything. So because recently I saw this video where it's showing how to draw step by step using an oil pastel. Since I have this, I borrowed this one from my sister. I thought I'm gonna give it a try and see how I can fare in terms of drawing, because I think the last time I drew something was around 15 years ago, I think. So yep, let's see how it goes. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw earlier, I'm pretty sure you don't. So regardless, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. So to be completely honest, I wanted to build something for this week. However, due to some unexpected circumstances, some of those items are yet to be delivered to my place here. So I couldn't proceed with that DIY project I had in mind. But rest assured, once all of those items reach here, then I'll start working on that project, and then hopefully to be able to make a video of it and then to give my honest opinion about the project itself. So until then, ciao.